Hello and welcome to another Mixology Monday. This week we got another easy classic for you. We are doing a basil rum and sweet tea. We got Jake, I'm Robbie. It's a pretty easy drink, folks. So you're gonna need the following ingredients. You're gonna need our Basil Carolina Rum. Super awesome product, very unique, one of a kind, the only basil rum in production, at least according to Google. And our first export. So you're gonna need basil rum. You're also going to need sweet tea. So we've got some nice fresh brewed sweet tea here. Southern sweet tea, since we are in the South.
Automatically southern sweet tea.
Yep, and you're gonna need fresh lemons. So to get this drink going, step one, what's step one, Jake?
We're gonna need 2 ounces of the basil rum in each glass, please.
No prob, Bob.
We're gonna start with 2 ounces. You can, add a little more if you need to.
Tom Cruise.
Got it this time.
All right, then?
I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze our lemons into each glass, and that way I can just top off with sweet tea. So we're gonna squeeze half a lemon into each glass.
God, I smell it when you do it.
I know.
That's maybe not the way to say that.
That's not the way to say that. Good effort though.
So
I knew what you meant.
half a lemon in each glass. That equates
A
to,
whole lemon per 2 people. I don't know.
yeah, half an ounce of lemon.
Yeah, I'd say so.
Yeah. The final step here is to take our sweet tea and top off the glass. We're using mason jars here. It's probably the equivalent of using a pint glass. So now that the sweet tea's in the glass, I'm gonna give that a stir, incorporate all the drink. Jake's gonna give it a nice little garnish, and there you have it. That's our basil rum and sweet tea. This is an easy cocktail to make at home and crowd pleaser. You can batch this cocktail, scale it up for parties, so you just pour it out of a pitcher. You can't beat it in the summertime. That, along with other basil rum drinks that we'll put somewhere in the end screen, or what? Yeah, right where Jake's finger is where I'll try to hit that. Basil or other basil rum recipes. We've got lots of basil rum recipes on our channel, along with recipes using all of our different rums. So if you're looking for cocktails made with rum, Mixology Monday is the channel for you. Thank you so much for watching. Check out our social media and our YouTube channel for other stuff. Come out and take a tour of our facility. Don't forget to check us out in your local liquor store. And cheers, my friend.
Cheers.
It's not appropriate to say every drink we make is my favorite, but man, we're on a roll today.